Welcome to this detailed guide on adding footnotes in WordPress quickly and easily. Begin by opening your WordPress website in your browser. Once the page loads, direct your attention to the upper right corner where you will find the login option. Click on the login button to commence the process of accessing your account. After clicking the login button, you will be presented with several sign-in options. Look for the option that allows you to sign in using your Google account. Select the option labelled Continue with Google and then choose the appropriate account from the list that appears. This method streamlines your login process by using your familiar Google credentials. Once you have successfully logged in, you will notice a quick link section on your dashboard. Within this section, locate and click the Edit Site button. This action will open the site editor, allowing you to make changes to your website's layout and content. Within the site editor, you will observe a plus icon situated at the top right corner of the interface. Click on the plus icon to add a new content block. At this point, a search dialog will appear to help you locate the type of content you want to add. Type the word paragraph into the search bar. This will display a list of available paragraph blocks that you can use to add text. From the results, select the paragraph block to insert it into your page. Once added, modify the content of the paragraph block by typing footnotes. This title clearly designates the section of your website that will contain all the supporting information and annotations. After establishing the footnotes section, move back to the area where you can add new blocks. In this interface, type the word list to find the list block. This feature is particularly useful for organizing your footnotes neatly and in an easily digestible format. When the list block appears, click on it to insert it on your page. Within the list block, you will now add the items that will link to your footnotes. Type each list entry clearly and precisely. These items serve as clickable references that will guide your readers to additional information or clarifications within your content. To format these list entries as footnote markers, locate the navigation toolbar in the list editor. In the drop-down menu provided, choose Superscript. This formatting style elevates the text, making it suitable for footnotes as it mimics the conventional appearance in print and digital documents. Next, in the same navigation area, click on the Link button. This function enables you to embed hyperlinks into your list entries effectively. When prompted, type in your anchor text, remembering to include a hashtag at the beginning. The hashtag is essential because it designates the text as an internal reference point on the page. After entering the anchor with the hashtag, click on the link once more to confirm your insertion. Confirming the link ensures that your footnote markers are now interactive and properly positioned. Moving on, scroll down to the footer section of your website. In the footer, locate the block tab on the right-hand side of the editor and click on it. This step allows you to access and modify the footer content of your site. Once inside the block settings, continue scrolling until you see an advanced option. Click on Advanced to reveal further customization settings. Within these advanced settings, you are instructed to type in the same anchor that you used earlier, but this time without including the hashtag at the beginning. This slight alteration is necessary to ensure that WordPress correctly registers the anchor as the target for your footnote link. To complete the process, click on the Save button to store all your changes. Finally, preview your site to verify that the footnotes are displayed as intended. This final check not only confirms that your work has been saved, but also allows you to assess the visual appeal and functionality of your footnotes. Enjoy the ease of navigation provided by your newly added footnotes, which enhance both the readability and professional appearance of your website.